Let me show you 3 ways you can use to receive payments using Paystack on specific pages on your website. So let's say you have like a landing page or a sales page like this one, and you want to receive payment on this sales page with Paystack. How do you do it? So ordinarily, if you wanted to use Paystack, you have to connect it to WooCommerce so that you can use it to receive payments on your e-commerce site. But this is not an e-commerce site. This is a simple page, and I just want to put a payment link directly on Paystack. So there are 3 ways we can do this, and I'm going to show you the 3 ways. The first way, which most people do, is they come to Paystack. Of course, you need to create a Paystack account. They come to Paystack and they come to payment pages right here, and they simply create a payment page. All right. So if you come to Paystack, you can just come here, click on create a payment page. And after you create this page, you get a link. So I created this page, which is basically a test page for this video. So I can just copy the link. So this is the link right here. I can just copy the link. If I come back to this page, I can just add a button. I'm doing this with Elementor, but you can do it with any other page builder that you use. So you can just come here, search for button, a call to action button, and you can just drag the button and put it anywhere that you want. So let's say I want to put this button here. All I have to do is just put the payments page link here and just save it. So once people click on this, it's going to take them to Paystack and they can pay. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with this. Now, the problem with this, of course, there's something wrong with it. So the problem with this is if you wanted to track this, let's say you are running Facebook adverts to this, or you have your Google Tags Manager and all of that set up, and you just want to track things, this if they click on this, it's going to take them to Paystack website. Short, let me show you what I'm saying. So this is the link I just added. If they click on this link, it's going to take them to Paystack where they can pay and you receive the payment. But the only thing wrong with this is that it will bring them to the Paystack website, and you cannot put a pixel on the Paystack website. So this is the only issue you have here. So let's say you are running Facebook adverts, or you just want to track it to know exactly where they are. This is going to be a bit difficult for you to do. So that's why Paystack has another method you can do this. So the second method is you want to use the Paystack forms. All right. If you come to plugins, just search for Paystack payment forms. This is the one you want, and this one basically helps you just create payment forms and generate shortcodes for you. So you want to install it and activate it. So this is the Paystack forms here. If you come to the settings, you just want to connect your Paystack account to it by just switching to either live mode or test mode and putting your live secret key and your live public key. So I already have a video on how you can do all of this. So after that, you just click on save changes. After the save changes, you come back here, click on add Paystack form. Here you give your form a name and automatically it adds the name and email for you. So if you want to add any other things, you can come here and add it like phone number. You can insert different things that you want right here. If you scroll down, this is where you put the pricing that you want to receive, and you can select currencies. All right, you can select different currencies from here. I'm going to leave it to Nigerian Naira, and you can change your pay button here. So let's say I want to say the button should be maybe pay now, and then this is your payment after your message after payment. And then this is a redirect. So let's say after the pay, I want them to come to maybe my Instagram. All right. So I can put the link right here, which is going to be a redirect link for them. So this can go to your thank you page and all of that. So once you are happy with all the things you've made, you can just basically just come here, click on publish. So you've created a form, and they are going to give you a short code. So you get this short code. All you have to do is copy this short code and then come back to your page. So for your page, again, I'm on Elementor. So you can just come here, search for shortcode. So you can also do this in any editor that you use. Just drag the shortcode, put it right here, and then just paste the code that we've created, and you can just publish it. So now this is the payment link. They can put their name, their email address, and this is the amount they are going to pay, and their phone number, and they can pay directly using Paystack. Now the thing with this is that when they pay, it is on your page already, so it doesn't leave your URL. So if you want to track, you can actually track this properly. So this is the second method. Let me show you the last but not the least. So for the last method, you need to use a plugin called Better Payment. So if you come to your plugins, you want to search for Better Payments. So if you find it, you just want to install it. So search for Better Payment here. So if you search for Better Payment, this is the one you want. So you want to install it and activate it. After that, you also see the Better Payment link here. So you want to come to settings too, and you want to connect your Paystack account to it. So to connect your account is very simple. If you come to the settings, you come to, this is where you change the currency. So you can select the currency that you want. So Paystack will process mostly in Naira. So I selected Naira. So you also come here, click on Paystack, and then switch to the live mode and put your public key and your secret key, and you save your changes and you are ready to go. So to use that, just come here, search for Better Payments, and you should see this payment form. Just drag it and drop it wherever you want it to be. Here you have different layouts that you can choose. We are going to turn off PayPal, turn off Stripe. We want to enable Paystack. We want to enable email notification. Again, this is where we selected the currency, and you can do other things here, other form settings, but this is what the form is going to look like here. This is the payment amount, this is their email address, and this is their first name and their last name. So if I do not want this, I can basically just turn it off from here. And then you have error message settings, Paystack settings. So this is also where you can put your live key and your secret key. Again, after that, you can just click on update. So now this is the payment form, and if they fill out this information to pay, they would still be inside of our URL. So this is how you can receive specific payments on specific pages on your website using Paystack. And I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you.